welcome to the Fabulous Penguins. So, first up what we're going to do is, my name is Hannah, and this is Sammy. Shay and Tori, which are two members, the other two, Funny Faces, and Funny Noises. Me. So, the first funny noise is obviously the fart noise. So, just let it out.
Enjoy.
The second funny noise is my brother when he blows his nose. He goes. He literally sounds like an elephant or a duck honking.
The third are crazy penguins.
No.
Boom.
The third weird noise, well, funny noise that you would, if you live in Proctorville, you'd probably hear me and the penguin pack, which we call ourselves the she-wolf pack sometimes. You'd probably hear us howling on Wednesdays at 8 to 8:10, right around Fairland. Okay, so moving on to funny faces. Sammy's gonna make the weirdest funny face she knows, so here we go. Now it's my turn. Now we're gonna make funny faces together, different funny faces. Hey! That's not nice.
So now that we're in the dark, we're going to express our crazy selves as long as we want.
Oh, I hope you liked our video, because we're crazy and just weird. So just make sure to click down there.
And subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe.
And like us, because we'll be even more crazier than we are.
Yeah. So, thanks for watching. Bye.